Well, that right there is something you never want to see, especially in the first race of the first 450 heat in the first corner. And it's from probably one of the fan favorites, however you want, depending on how you look at him, like him, Logan Karnow. Apparently, if you didn't watch the race, you'll see the video of the crash coming up. But the early report coming from Rotomoto says, "quote Early report on Karnow is fully dislocated ankle, may have a break as well." This comes from the 450 Heat 1, where Vince Friese cut from the far outside to the inside, and that crash right there, which really didn't look all that bad. You look at it and you're like, oh, he just kind of got pushed wide. But if you look at the bottom corner, you can see him right there, and then his foot looks to just get rolled right into the other guy's front tire. And it sucks. I mean, in slow mo, you can see it right there pop and then just get sucked right up into it. And whether that was his leg hitting the ground and getting hyperextended, or if the wheel did it, who knows? But it sucks for somebody who's, yeah, sorry for the absolutely 72p picture, but like you can kind of see that that's not how your leg is supposed to be going. So hopefully he's okay. Hopefully it is just a dislocation and, it's not a break or something worse, some tear or whatever, but hopefully he gets better. Go down to his socials, comment down below, whatever, tell him, good luck, heal up, whatever it is. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.